Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a clear baseline and immediate habits so progress is measurable. First, note your acuity and prescription and set a 20-20-20 timer. This reduces digital strain quickly. Then, make sure your workspace lighting is even and screens sit 50-70 cm away with top of screen at eye level. Once done, log symptoms and changes daily. Make small adjustments to distance or brightness and continue. These simple steps stop further strain and prepare you for targeted exercises. Now you add specific actions that improve function and resilience. Start a 10-15 minute routine, palming to relax, near-far focusing 10 times, and slow figure-8 tracking to train coordination. At the same time, optimize nutrition. Regular omega-3s, lutein and zeaxanthin from leafy greens, and vitamin A support retinal health, while keeping hydration steady. Make sure to prioritize 7-9 hours of sleep and control blood sugar. These systemic factors directly affect circulation to the eye. To finish, you consolidate gains and set a safety net. Reassess every 4-6 weeks with a vision chart and symptom journal and compare photos to track changes. If you notice sudden blurring, flashes, or field loss, stop exercises immediately, rest, and contact an eye professional. These are red flags that need prompt care. Otherwise, make incremental adjustments to brakes, lenses, and ergonomics. This maintenance keeps improvement stable while letting you catch issues early and troubleshoot effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.